What's up YouTube? Welcome to another tutorial. In this one I'm teaching you guys about the disaster loan. Okay, so this disaster loan applies for all states in USA, but currently I'm filing for Texas. Okay, I just want you to know that this method works for all states. Okay, we're doing this for Texas. So first of all, you have to go to this website www.disasterassistance.gov. Okay, now since a hurricane just happened in Texas, I'm going to file a disaster loan for hurricane. Okay, so once you're on the website, you click on the red button that says let's get started. Okay, do you need help after a disaster? Yes, you do. So you click let's get started. So in the next page, do not put your zip code, okay? Or else it will give you some flimsy excuse and it won't work, okay? So just pay close attention. On the next page, do not put your zip code, okay? Okay? Do not put your zip code. But the two boxes below, you fill them. You can see it says put in your zip code or your state/territory and your city, okay? So you need to put in your state, and I'm gonna put in Texas, and then my city, okay? So once again, you remember, do not put in your zip code, okay? Otherwise you get a flimsy excuse and the application won't work, okay? So that's step 3, okay? So yeah, step 4, you'll be asked to choose you can choose any, but for the purpose of this tutorial, okay, let's start with the hurricane first. Okay, so you'll be asked to choose the disaster you're affected by. Okay, so be sure to choose hurricane. Okay, hurricane, I don't know, hurricane, but just be sure to choose hurricane. Okay, do not choose the other one. Okay, all right, so that's the next step. Be sure to follow the tutorial closely. Okay, so once you've chosen hurricane, you click next. All right. So in next step, your count will be set automatically, okay? So once it's set, just click next, okay? Basically, your count here will be set automatically. That's my point, okay? So just click next. So in the next page, if your county has not been affected, this page will come, okay? You can still click next as more counties are added each day for the benefit payment. So basically, if your county, isn't affected by the if your account isn't affected by the hurricane, this page will come up. So you just click next, okay? Just click next. So once you successfully get through, you'll see this page. Just click next. Once you successfully get through, you see this page, click next. So on the next page, just choose the same answers as you can see on the screen, okay? Just choose the same exact answers. Do not make any mistakes. The same answers as I have chosen. Just follow it from the screen, okay? So now scroll down and choose the same answers you see on the screen. Please, no mistakes. Choose the same exact answers, okay? So on the next page, you choose the same answers as you can see on the screen, okay? Please, no mistakes. Just choose the same answers on the screen, okay? Now click next. So on the next page, you just choose the same answers you see on the screen, okay? No mistakes, please. And then click next, okay? So in this page, you just choose yes, okay? And click next. So the next page, you also choose yes and then click next. So you see this page, okay? Then you just click next, okay? You can just review everything and just click next. Okay, now you would see all the information. Just click next. So on this page, just choose the same answers you see on the screen, okay? Choose the same thing and click next. Now you check both boxes and click on sign in or create account, okay? So on this page, if you already have a login.gov account, just click on sign in. Otherwise, click on create an account, okay? So you create an account, an email will be sent to you to confirm your account. Okay, so you have to open the email and confirm your email address. Okay, so just go into your email box and confirm it. You'll set a strong password, click continue. Now choose backup codes as that's easier to keep and click continue. So copy your codes and store them somewhere safe. You will need them one at a time, okay? Then click continue. Click agree and continue. So continue. So write the full address on the Texas files you are using and then choose the same answer as you see on the screen, okay? Now, if you're not lucky, this page will show up. I get this when either there's an issue, my address written, or my VPN isn't connected well, okay? So click back, change your VPN to the Texas state and try again, okay? So when it goes through successfully, okay, you should see this page. You choose major damage, okay, and continue. Now choose the same answer as you see on the screen here and continue. Now choose the same answers here and submit. Thanks for watching the tutorial. Subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications. Bye.